Hello everybody, and welcome back to another video on the Boat Marketplace YouTube channel. Today we're with Fine Design Marine. We're in Cobbs Quay Marina, based in Poole Harbour, and we're sat on board a Cormate U27. And this is a brand new boat. It's just come from the design effectively, and we are going to be giving you a look through on what amazing features this has to offer. We've covered the Cormate U23 on the videos on YouTube already, so it's got very similar features to that. If you're interested in that boat, head on over and have a look at that. But today we're going to go through and see what this has to offer. And we're starting off where I was just sat, which is a really lovely bench seat looking straight out of the back of the boat. If I give you a little spin round, there we go. And it doesn't stop there, because it's got cup holders and even has a bench seat the other side of it, which, if we give it a flick round, turns into a wonderful, really nice sun pad. And I can picture me, especially on a day like today, lying on the back of this and enjoying as we go through the sea. What else have we got at the back then? So there's a couple of cubby holes, nice deep holes on both sides, and I believe this one is even deep enough to fit fenders in. There we go, fenders stood upright, so you can see how deep it is. What other features has it got? It's got a shower on the back, and it's got fresh water supply. Now, you might have just noticed we've got carbon fibre here. All along here, exposed carbon fibre. Now, this is where technology is going with these boats, because this is a carbon fibre hull with really, really lightweight design, and that means it can pick up and absolutely fly through the water, and you'd be seeing speeds of over 50 knots quite easily on this boat. And that is all thanks to this underneath here, which is a 6.2 litre Mercury Mercruiser engine kicking out 300 horsepower. Now, you might think 300 horsepower doesn't sound like much, but like I said, this combined with the carbon fibre hull gets you absolutely flying. And the carbon fibre hull is not where it stops. It's a 3-step hull, so it really cruises along absolutely lovely. Now, with that bench seat configured like it is, we've got a table that sets up here. That creates a lovely, lovely lounge seating area, or you can even have a little bit of lunch in the middle of the day. And then as we step forward, I really like the design of this with the wooden texture and the wooden finishes on the dashboards, along with the new modern carbon fibre look and feel. Really has done a fantastic job of that. And as we step into the helm position, we've got 2 Simrad screens, and this looks so futuristic. It's almost like the cockpit of an aircraft, even with the throttle quadrant down by your side. It really makes you feel like you're in some sort of technology that's going to make you absolutely fly, and I'll tell you what, it really does. As we step out of this then, I'll just quick look round. The helm does have bolster seats, so you can do that standing up position, or you can sit down to be a little bit protected by this lovely windscreen. And that windscreen also has a windscreen wiper, so when you're out in stormy conditions, you've got a bit of protection. And that is helped with this bar here that folds up and becomes a storm cover. You might have also noticed solar panels in the boat. Again, a really good modern design, keeping those batteries topped up at all points, and a really large, basically relaxing area, which I believe might have a cushion to slot in, so you can lie across the front here. We've got anchor in there, which is also again surrounded by a couple of cleats, which is helpful for tying the boat up. And if we step back down the other side, this takes us to the passenger's seat, which in turn, if we do a quick 180 takes us into the cabin. Now in the cabin we've got a table in there at the moment. There's that infill cushion that goes up at the front, and we've even got a toilet on here with a sink, which is absolutely great use of space. So they're only a 27-foot boat, but it's got everything that you would need, with even, I think, quite a nice area for sleeping in. And I love the finish on this, even with that cross stitching in the leather, that padded leather the whole way around. It's a really elegant design. They've really thought about everything, and it's come out absolutely amazing. Now this boat, like I said, is brand new. It's up for sale with Fine Design Marine, and it's currently around £168,000. So if you're interested, head over to Fine Design Marine's website and Nick will take you through that. Or if you're looking for something else but not quite this boat, head over to boatmarketplace.co.uk. Leaves me to say thank you for watching this video, everybody. Please do remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. See you later.